Peacock Sugar Skull Face Paint Tutorial, Take 1. Hello and welcome to Peacock Sugar Skull Face Paint Tutorial. Watch me transform my face into my art drawing. But first, I want to show you how I made my peacock headband and the peacock flowers for my eyes. Okay, the first thing I do, I draw out my peacock leaves and my peacock flowers for my eyes. Next, I color each leaf and the flowers with colored pencils. Then I run a copy off on the copying machine to have some duplicates. Next, I cut each one out individually. After I cut each individual peacock petal out, I have a bunch of individual peacock petals, which I can adhere to the headband or place them on my body as appliques. Then I cut out the peacock flower. After I cut out the peacock flowers, they look like this. Then I cut a hole in the center of each one so I can see. And this gives my face painting tutorial a 3D effect with my eyes. Then, moving up to the headband, I use a headband. I attach floral wire around the headband. You just wrap it and squeeze the floral wire. On the back, I just tape the peacock petals or leaves to the floral wires. And then this gives my face painting a 3D effect coming off my head. Now, let's begin this transformation. This completes the application of the transformation. It's now time to compare my face to my art drawing. It's now time for me to get into costume and to show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other video transformations and face painting tutorials on this channel. I do hope you click subscribe and the bell icon to receive a notification of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching.